At the heart of positive psychology is the study of well-being and happiness. But what exactly do we mean by these terms in the context of this field? Well-being refers to more than just feeling good. It encompasses living life in a fulfilling and meaningful way. It involves the experience of positive emotions, but it also includes having engaging activities, supportive relationships, achievement, and a sense of connection to something larger than oneself. One influential model in understanding well-being is Martin Seligman's PERMA model, which stands for positive emotion, engagement, relationships, meaning, and accomplishment. Each element of this model contributes to what Seligman considers as flourishing, a state where individuals maximize their positive emotions, engagement, relationships, meaning, and accomplishments in life. This holistic approach illustrates how well-being extends beyond transient happiness or pleasure. Speaking of happiness, it's often described in positive psychology as more than just a fleeting moment of joy. It's about sustaining a sense of contentment and satisfaction over time. This can be achieved through cultivating a balance of pleasurable experiences, engaging in deeply immersive activities, and aligning one's daily actions with overarching life values and purposes. Now, moving on to resilience and grit, traits that are incredibly vital, yet often misunderstood. Resilience refers to the ability to bounce back from adversity, trauma, tragedy, or other significant sources of stress. It's about how we navigate through difficulties without losing ourselves in the process. Positive psychology looks at resilience not just as an innate ability, but as a quality that can be developed. Through resilience training, individuals can learn strategies to manage stress and rebound from challenges more effectively. Grit, a term popularized by psychologist Angela Duckworth, takes the concept of resilience a step further. It involves perseverance and passion for long-term goals. Grit is about maintaining a committed effort over years, despite challenges and setbacks. It's that driving force that helps people endure and persist in the pursuit of significant objectives, whether they're personal ambitions, educational targets, or career milestones. Both resilience and grit are essential for achieving sustained well-being and happiness. They enable us to endure the inevitable ups and downs of life while continuing to make progress towards what makes life genuinely rewarding. In this course, we won't just talk about these concepts in theory. We'll explore practical ways to enhance your own well-being, happiness, resilience, and grit. We'll delve into exercises, reflect on personal experiences, and apply what we learn to real-world scenarios. This approach will help you not only understand these concepts, but also put them into action. So as you can see, there's a lot to look forward to as we continue exploring positive psychology together. It's a journey that promises to enrich your understanding of yourself and enhance your ability to thrive in various aspects of your life.
If you're finding this lesson valuable, you can take your expertise to the next level. Join over 27,000 students at the Institute of Professional Psychology and earn your professional certification in this field. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to access the full curriculum, workbooks, and your accredited credential. Let's get back to the lesson.